It's the most magical, wonderful time of year. Hello, welcome to today's video. It is daytime. It's a few weeks out before Christmas and I have a tree with lights. It is not decorated. And so I was thinking for today's video, this could either be a real big hit or a real bomb. I'm not quite sure. But I wanted to do a decoration that was different from what I've done before. So I went through just some pictures on the internet and I found something that was so interesting, and it was a peacock inspired tree. And I'm going to try to make this tree look a bit like a peacock. And then I've got an assortment of butterflies and things that I'm going to put all around it. And I've never done this before. I have no idea if this is going to work. I hope it will. If not, I've got the traditional ornaments in the shed outside, so I can always pull those back. But I figure it would be really neat to do something outside the Christmas box and try something new. And so I'm going to get a little artsy and craftsy and see what I come up with. But this could be a really fun and interesting video. If you've decorated your tree so far, yay you! If you haven't and you're looking for something different, well, I certainly hope this provides some inspiration. I really, really hope that it works, and maybe it gets you thinking differently as to how you decorate your tree as well. So anywho, I'm going to start unpackaging these goodies and see what I come up with. Let's do this. Okay, so my goal is to start on this side. Since this is primarily the area of the tree that you see the most, I'm going to start the feathers down here, sort of the tail feather, and then bring it up to the center and then come on up. So it'll be wide and then a little bit more narrow. And then I'm going to put the butterflies around it. So here we go. So I built in a little cluster of tail feathers, and now we'll move on to the body. So now that I have bigger holes in the tree that I'm trying to fill, I'm starting to cluster about 4 or 5 and then put them in as groups so they fan out a little bit more. My bird is beginning to take shape. I'm just sort of filling in some holes with the feathers at this point. Big bird's coming to life and I'm almost out of feathers. I just have that top portion to go and that's it. Okay, so our peacock is in. Okay, so now it's time to clip the butterflies. I've got pink, blue, and a beige. So after a few hours of work, we are done. I can't wait to see it at nighttime. 108 butterflies, 320 peacock feathers, and of course ornaments from yesteryear all sprinkled in. So we'll revisit at nighttime. Toodaloo! There you have it. I feel like I'm the big bird today. This has been an all-day project, but I must say it has been really, really fun. Everything I found on Amazon for next to nothing. The combination of the peacock feathers and the blue, the pink, and the gold-colored butterflies. And then I went outside and I dug in my shed and I found some of the old traditional blue ball ornaments and some icicles and a couple of little white snowbirds and things that I could find that I felt would fit the theme. But it was really fun doing something different. And in fact, it's kind of inspired me to do a different theme every year, especially since I can do it on the cheap, because you know how that makes me happy. Oh, I hope you're enjoying all the beauty of this holiday, and I hope you're having fun putting your home together in whatever form and whatever type of decoration suits you and speaks to your heart, because in the end, isn't that what it's all about? As I leave you, I would love for you to enjoy the sights of the Christmas season. I went driving through town and captured some really pretty video for you as I wish you boldness and blessing always. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.